the unique world that that you can impact a lot of lives, either while you're doing it or later on, especially if you're involved with more from a research standpoint or if you're actively involved in patient-athlete interactions. And then the versatility of the degree, I think, is probably unmatched to a lot of other degrees. And it's a focused degree, but the arenas that you can go into and the doors that it opens up.
I mean, without research, I don't think that we'd be where we are with pretty much any field, of study.
One way that we have is the Lindenwood Showcase. Kind of in our experience is that we had an idea and we kind of brought it to a professor and we really ran with it, which is very unique, especially at an institution of this size, because you don't get that everywhere.
Hands-on learning and problem solving, especially working with Dr. Sunderland. It's been important to problem solve a lot if we've run into roadblocks, and when you're studying even, you have to do that too, so I think it's more hands-on and direct when you're doing that sort of thing in the research lab.
Students making those connections when we're talking about a topic in class, or just having that kind of eureka moment, or that kind of moment where they realize, like, wow, this is really just so cool, or just something that, like, wow, I can't believe I'm getting to look at this in school.
With opportunities, it is a small ratio between students and professors here in our program, so I think it is very beneficial that we're able to go to our professors and have that one-on-one conversations with them.
I think here at Lindenwood, the relationships you build with the professors are awesome. With my experience, we were very close with our professors. They were always willing to help you, not only in an academic standpoint, but also just in a life standpoint. If you had any problems, concerns, they were always a phone call, a text away. They want what's best for you, and it truly shows in their day-to-day actions.
So I think a lot of our professors are really big on like real world scenarios, especially like in my experience, a lot of what we do learn in the classroom can be directly applied to what we would do in our future professions. So I think that's really valuable for that.